Hello students, in previous video we learned about combinational gates. In combinational gates we learned NAND gate and NOR gate. So today we learn our third gate, which is combinational gate, is XOR gate. So XOR gate, it is also called exclusive OR gate. XOR gate can also have two or more inputs but produce only one output signal. XOR gate produce output 1 for only those input combination that have odd number of ones. In Boolean algebra, plus and in circle sign is used for XOR operation. So XOR operation can be written as A plus in circle and B. So this is the diagram of our AND gate, XOR gate, which is exclusive OR gate. So two inputs and one output, A plus in circle and B, and this diagram is equivalent to this diagram. So generally A plus B expression, or it denotes A B ka naught plus A ka naught and B. So this diagram stands for A B ka naught plus A ka naught B. So this expression denotes A plus B. So we can create a truth table of XOR gate. So what is the basic line of XOR truth table? That XOR gate produce output only 1 for only those input combination that have odd number of ones. Like we have two input, so it is 0 0, so 0 stands for 0. Then we have 0 and 1, so two input where one is 0 and one is 1, so it is odd, odd is 1, so output is 1. Again 1 and output 0 and 0, then again 1 is odd, and so output is 1. So number of input 1 is equal to odd, that time our output will be 1. So if we have three input like A, B and C, then we have A 0, B1 and C1. So we have 2 1, it means it is even, so output will be 0. But we have 3 1 1 1, that time, so 3 1 is odd, 3 is odd, so our output will be 1. Again we have our fourth and last gate is XNOR gate. So XNOR gate is a logically equivalent to inverted XOR or XNOR. Produce one output when the input combination has even number of 1. So in XOR gate, the odd number of 1, output will be 1. So even number of 1, output will be 1 in XNOR gate. So this is the logic diagram of our XNOR gate. So we add circle sign in XOR gate, so it will produce our XNOR gate, and this diagram can be written like this. So it is equals to A dot B plus A ka naught and B ka naught. So this diagram can be created using this expression. So now what is our truth table of XNOR gate? So we have two input A and B. So A is 0, B 0, so our output is 1. A 0, B 1, so number of 1 is odd, so output will be 0. So output will be 0, and number of element 1 is even, so output will be 1. So it is our reverse of XOR gate. So today we learned about XOR gate, which is also known as exclusive OR gate, and it will produce output 1 when the number of 1 is odd. And logic diagram of XOR gate by two ways and truth table of XOR gate. Then we learn about XNOR gate. The XNOR gate is logically equivalent to inverted XOR. and it produce one output when the input combination has even number of ones. So this is the logic diagram of our XNOR gate and truth table of XNOR gate. So today we completed our all 4 combinational gate, which is NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. So all 4 gates has 3 section. First is definition, second is logic diagram and third is truth table.